people. Today we're going to be trolling as Michael Jackson in Brookhaven Roblox with my friend Jet. Yes.
Alright, let's get to the game.
I've fallen, and I can't get up!
First, let's start moonwalking down the street. Yes, bro.
Oh yeah, there's this guy's like following us.
He's the one who asked us if he wants to be friends. Okay, let's find someone with a house, and we're gonna break into that house. There's a lot of houses over here, so I'd say we break into some.
Yes, bro. This is like something Michael Jackson.
I guess. Let's break into this fellow house. Who be working, bruh? We're gonna sneak up on her. That's rough. Where's she at? Where's she at? I need a firework her.
Yeah.
I fireworked them. You got, I did not get banned, so that's actually W.
I guess, bro, I guess. No, you're told them like a Michael Jackson.
This bro got the purple minivan.
Yep.
You just ran a fellow person over. Imagine you ran over me and I went in the car. And everyone, if I'm laughing and it sounds like I swallowed an entire car, it's because I'm a little sick right now.
Richie, how are you feeling?
Good.
You're a little sick?
Yes, bro. Bro, what? Let's get in here. I think they're outside.
Yeah.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
Oh no, I'm sorry.
Okay, so what do we do now? There's way more houses than last
Wait, this
time.
guy's house is...
Okay, back to the. Yes, we're back. I'm probably just gonna put goofy music over that, but. Alright, where are we at? Oh shoot, you just got banned. Which means I'm about to get banned too. No, I'm not. I'm out of here. Let me pick you up in your car. It's locked. Here, I'll pick you up on the pogo stick. I had to take some medicine.
Oh.
We'll put the goofy music over that too.
Yeah.
Yay! Where are you?
Like,
Jungle Nuggets, nice.
yeah, Jungle Nuggets.
I'm a jungle nugget.
Like, I don't have a girlfriend. Okay, let's go.
What?
Alright, we're breaking into this guy's house.
Okay. Oh, this is the good house where like. Oh, this one has the secret room, so we have to try to stay in that secret room forever.
Oh, yeah. It's like...
I'm in. Can't get me. Go to the pool.
I get it.
We in the secret room, boy. He could low-key be here any second now. Alright, we have to spend as much time as we can in this dude's house.
And then just sing like beat it or like
Yeah, we should say hee hee to people. Alright, let's set up in our base.
Yeah.
That is what we will be doing. They high key got a PS5, oh no. He ain't going. Yes, bro. There's a bunch of fireworks blowing off. I don't know what that means, but AFK.
Alright. You know, this is our house. It's just real chill, you know.
Yeah.
I just really like caution tape, you know. It's just like, it's cool.
I'm in a blue. I am blue. How do you rainbow your name?
Rainbow?
Yes, bro.
Wait, what?
People keep rainbowing.
I don't even know how to put my name. Wait, what is this?
I don't know.
They won't come in again.
Mom, what is it?
100.
Oh no.
Why am I running like this, bro?
Bro.
Yo, why do I jump? Look, when I jump, I look up and I hate that.
Alright, let's escape now. I don't think this guy wants us in his home.
We just gotta like torture him.
Oh, yes. Yo,
That's AFK.
what did we put?
Yeah, we're gonna troll.
What a cover in those. I'm in them now. Talk about in it.
This guy.
What even are those?
It's like
Where you find them?
they're in the. Man, I'm dead.
I'm trying to box him. Now we have to hide in the other side. Where did you go? Wait, where'd you go?
Well, I'm outside.
Oh god. I gotta get out there too.
Yo, is this tough?
Yes, bro.
Pop in. It was like the act. Let's go to the other side.
Yeah. Oh god. Jungle nuggets.
Whoa.
Yo,
Whoa there.
we hit a trick shot. Jungle nuggets. Let's break into this instant house over here.
Yeah, okay, we gotta sing like eating.
Yes, we have to say some hee hee. I'm inside of the truck now. Sick.
Oh,
Low-key.
what just happened with the truck?
How do I go?
Oh yeah, you're locked in there.
There we go.
Oh, this guy's open. This guy's blue.
And he's also open. And also, why is he...
You gotta say
Yes. Hee hee. I think he's gonna try to ban us now. Oh, we gotta get. Bro's still going in for the challenge.
Yep. Oh wait. Is this
Bro's levitating now. Nice.
No, what's the beat? Nah, I'm gonna say nah, Michael Jordan.
And Moon walked out the door. Bro, and the chat is going insane. It says, "You seem like you need help." And then someone after that said, no, I'm taken. I don't know.
Whoa, boy.
Bro, I'm trying to get into like one of those arguments that we got in yesterday, like in the street.
Yes, bro.
Let me in, please. I'm in the Juggle Nuggets.
Woo!
I'm in Juggle Nuggets now.
Woo! That kind of hurted.
Oh yeah, where are I? Being here.
And I put Ben.
Someone's message got rephrased.
Is it you? Yes, it is.
Hit post 28.
Why do we have a cat here?
Yes, bro, I'm dancing. I'm cooking.
Woo!
Yeah.
OMG, I love MJ.
Me too.
Me too.
How am I making hearts in the air? I don't think that's how my oh, she just left. She just passed.
What about this guy?
He has a sword. It's pretty cool. Bro, how do I stop giving people the heart?
Oh yeah, we gotta go to the diving board right there.
Yes, bro. We have to show them our tricks.
Yeah. Ready? Okay, this is called the diving board.
You get a car.
And like
You Loki just.
what? Oh, wait. So like you like get in and then you just fly.
Something like that. I don't even know where you went. Oh. Oh my god. Bro bounced so hard.
Hi guys.
Bro's back.
Thank you.
Alright, I'm jumping in.
The smallest.
I just flew over the motel and into the plane.
Yo, what?
I don't know where it went.
Yo, I'm a bounce and you just like.
Oh yeah, and then it looks like this. I should bounce and then spawn a pizza. So it's just like pizza spawned midair. Bro, I sound like I swallowed a car. What if I pogo on the diving board? Hi, Key. Wee. Oh. I just died.
Yo, I'm running with the thing.
Bro. Oh.
Yes.
Where did it go?
Oh, it's coming.
Oh, oh god. I just started spinning out.
Is it coming? Oh boy.
Woo!
Oh boy.
That was fun. Wait, let me try it with a bus. I think it will go well. Oh.
Yo. I'm in the ocean right now.
Bro, I'm about to be, bro. Oh, I saw you.
I'm in the ocean.
I'm in the hotel pool. You know that hotel and then like where I think I crashed my bus.
Wait, we gotta make it a bright pink.
Whoa! Yeah!
Yeah.
What if I go on the slide? What if I try to go on the slide? Oh, I went down the slide. Let's go. Someone just emerged from the dead.
I'm coming, bro. Yo, there is. Oh wait, this is canceled.
Bro, what?
Yo, how am I like running the scooter?
I think I kind of Oh.
Okay, we got.
Imagine in real life you just saw horses raining from the sky or something.
Yeah, bro.
That'd be tough. Oh,
Where did the car go, bro?
I am a cargo. Oh, the horse is gone as well. Huh. Can the horse just go?
No. Ah.
Bro, I'm on the horse now.
That looked like.
I'm riding a horse in a pool. And someone just closed $1 billion business deal and I'm just riding a horse in a pool. Loki said. I high-key can't get out of this.
Yo, Cat and Nico added. Yeah, I'm joining.
I need to resort because the horse just got me.
Yo. Wait. Bro, what is this family I was just invited to? Okay.
What house is it?
What house?
Like what number? Oh, is it over here?
Bro, I don't know. I was just invited.
Where did everyone go?
I don't know. Wow, in the street. Yo. Where are you, bro?
Where are you? I meet up back at the diving board.
Some guy named Peyton is like trying to kidnap me. So I'm juking him out.
Oh yeah.
Yo, tough. Oh yeah, you can't get me. Oh, oh, oh. Oh wait, he's a part of my family.
Yes, bro.
Silly me. Silly me.
Slimy.
Slimy.
Yes.
Yo, where did you go, bro?
Which side of the entire map are you on?
I'm in spawn.
Oh, you're right. I'm biking there right now. I'm at spawn.
Yeah.
Go to the swings. Why is there a tumbleweed, dude?
Where is he? Bro, look at how I'm riding this.
Bro's in the bike. Don't remind me. Minding my own darn business.
So we gotta sing a Michael Jackson. Just beat it.
Beat it. It don't matter if you're black or white. Running.
It doesn't matter. Oh wait,
Remember what Rion said?
what?
Remember what Rion said about that song? He said, it does matter when the cops get involved.
Oh, yeah.
That's some crazy stuff.
How are you going that high?
Cause I like walk on the swing, so I could literally go. I did a full 360. Oh god.
Hi.
What's up? I'm gonna go down the slide. Woohoo! Oh.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Has anyone commented on our video?
Yeah, someone came in and commented, LOL. I am a father. I am a chicken. Wait, what should we do now? Let's find some people and go up to them and sing Michael Jackson.
Yep.
I'm gonna ride this horse. Let's. Every time we do this, we have to at the end we have to rob the bank.
Yeah. Let's go to this dude.
I'm spunning.
You're spawning?
Yes.
I'm gay.
Nice. Bro, this guy got the White House.
Oh, hey, what's up, dude? What's up?
I have unarrived on my horse.
Just read it.
Wow!
Ah. Ah. I found him. He's a watermelon. It's back here.
I have to announce something to the entire world. Yee.
Oh man.
He. Nice. Easy. Easy. I'm dead.
Oh, you did it.
I did it.
Was this guy named Pabron 2016?
Bro, what?
Okay, bro. Okay. Yo, this is the White House.
I am a White House.
Just beat it.
You wanna go to the nuclear bunker?
There's a nuclear bunker?
Yes. Follow me.
Okay.
Jose.
This car's good enough, right?
Yes.
Ah.
Bro just crashed. Alright. So what you want to do is hop this fence if you can. And now we climb.
Woo. Flying vehicles. Oh, they all need premium.
Ah. I am Draco Maxon.
Let me see.
Aw, it's censored. Why does Roblox censor everything? Hello?
Video. Sorry about that, King. Type in hee if you're still there.
Yes.
In the comments.
Yes. Type hee if you made it this far into the video, or not even that far, but still. Comment hee.
Yeah.
I'm excited to see how many people watch my videos. Whoa. Let's jump down.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we in it. They weren't. This is toxic, probably.
Oh yeah, this is toxic. Death toxic.
That's toxic.
Oh, what have I done? What have I done?
Oh no.
Oh no. What happens if I go in here? Control room. Yo, this is my new secret. Yo, I can jump into
I can walk on water.
Oh yeah, me too. I'm walking on water.
I'm God.
Guys, if I can walk on watermelons, and watermelons are 70% water, does that mean I'm 70% fat?
Oh,
Yeah.
that's actually a genius observation. think I just chugga chewed this place.
Chugga chugga.
Where did bro go? Are you still on the bottom?
You should like and subscribe.
Yes, indeed. If you don't subscribe, you are...
Guys, like and subscribe or get hit by a car.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Woo! Woo! Yeah, guys. Woo!
Wait, I'm jumping from here. I survived.
I survived jumping from here.
I love that book. The I Survived series is actually goated. Guys, comment down below.
What's your favorite I Survived series?
Yes.
Where I'll hit you with a car in Brookhaven, obviously.
Yes. I am a son.
I'm Sunyan.
Bunions. Paul Bunyan.
Sunyan?
Paul Bunyan.
Paul Bunyan?
Yes,
Bro,
bro.
I was like in the biggest maze.
What if I open this?
Ignore my upside down van real quick.
What the heck? We gotta get inside this military base no matter what everyone says. Oh man, I'm just in. How do I do this?
Yo, I made it my power. See, this is now all owned by me.
We are Michael Hughes.
Say no buns.
No buttons. I planned on buns. I'm just going into random rooms at this point. I don't know what's happening.
Hey guys, if you're new to subscribe.
Yes. Shout out all the Abbeys or something. I don't know. I am a mustard. When we're done with this, I'm probably gonna upload it tomorrow because I'm like,
Why?
I'm not tired enough to stop doing this right now, but I have to redo this. I'll probably be pretty tired, so I'll probably like start to post and upload it tomorrow.
Yes.
Because yes, that's just how life can be sometimes, I guess.
It's at like speed it up and then just say some more yapping and then
Yeah. Alright. Okay, so we should go rob the bank now.
Yep.
Alright.
It's the grand finale from the bank.
I'm just gonna jump down.
Guys.
I'm high-key just gonna jump down from here. I'm a pogo to the bank, low-key.
I'm gonna drive this truck that I've acquired.
What, the truck?
My super facility.
What?
I'm driving up the hill.
I'm a super facility. What?
Up the hill we go.
I think we're on the side of the bank if I'm not.
Yeah, I pulled up.
Bro, when I laugh, it sounds like I've been holding in a 16-year-old S.
16-year-old. What?
It's the poo. I've been. Wait for me!
I robbed it.
I'm coming up there.
Are you sure about that?
We gotta get to the base. Then we'll do our finale.
What should we do as our Sunday?
Or what?
What should we do as our Sunday?
I don't know, bro. Alright, this is where we end all of our videos.
Yeah.
Hello, guys.
Okay, bye, guys. Like and subscribe, or yet again, I'll hit you with my car.
Like and subscribe. Bye.